Welcome to Conversations, Infobip Cloud Contact Center solution designed to help businesses interact with their customers over some of the most popular industry standard channels. I'm Thais Chang, and in this video, I'm going to show you how agents can simply and efficiently deal with inquiries coming from customers on any available channel, and how managers can easily set up and manage the entire contact center. Let's get you started on your contact center journey. Once you log into the portal, you'll be able to see the Conversations icon on the left. Go to the Conversations icon to enter the contact center, and you're ready to start. This is a single interface that allows you to handle all your conversations and access analytics. To handle your conversations, you'll be working with the following: My Work, a panel where individuals can see conversations assigned to them. All Work, a panel where individuals can, based on their rights, see all the conversations in the contact center. Predefined templates, used to help increase agent productivity by reducing repetitive, tedious, and low-value tasks that can take away from more meaningful work. Tags that can be assigned to conversations to categorize a conversation topic or customer intent better. Tags are connected to a dashboard, where managers can get an insight into the number of conversations per specific tag. Lastly, Conversations Logs, a page where you can see all the events. For example, changes made to conversations are tracked and displayed within the conversation body. The events are ordered chronologically and provide detailed information about who made the changes to a specific conversation. In the Analytics panel, managers get real-time and historical insights into the contact center workload and performance, which helps them keep the operations running smoothly. Besides handling and analyzing, you can also customize and configure your contact center. In fact, your managers can make any configuration, like channels and integrations, in just a few clicks through the apps that they can access here from the sidebar. Now let's take a closer look at the agent's view so you can get a better idea of how conversations make their day-to-day work more efficient. We'll dive into different features that help agents maintain the context for each customer with an organized overview of multi-channel conversations and easy access to customer profile. In this example, the first thing I do when I come to work is set my status to available, indicating that I'm available to receive inquiries from customers. These statuses are customizable in the Apps section. Now I go to All Work, a place for all conversations coming into the contact center, where I can see all the conversations that are visible to me. I can go through all the available conversations and assign one to myself. That conversation appears in my personal panel, My Work. If a manager turned on the auto-assignment rule in the apps, an incoming conversation would automatically be assigned to an available agent and appear in their My Work panel. When I go to a specific conversation, I can see the message thread in the middle of the screen with the timestamps and the communication channel used. Here on the right, I can get more details on the conversation, like how satisfied the customer is and which queue the conversation came from. This is also where I can access the customer profile and the history of conversations. Managers can define what will be displayed to agents and then customize context cards accordingly, while they also add more features in the Apps section. Here's an example of a conversation that started over WhatsApp. Let's reply to this customer. I can write an answer myself or use a template to speed up the repetitive part of the interaction. For example, a welcoming message. To access a template, I can go to the lightning bolt icon or simply type in a slash and select the template from the list. The customer has requested an address change, so I'll make the update. Which is automatically synced with the People module, where all the data and insights on customers are collected from different touchpoints, giving agents a full 360 view. If I need to, I can also switch to another channel. For example, for more complex issues, I can continue the support via video call. All I need to do is generate and share a link through which the customer can connect. Such face-to-face support is not only more personal, but much more efficient because I can also share my screen and guide the customer step by step towards a solution in real time. And if I share my screen, this is what the customer is going to see. Once you're done with support, you can close the conversation. Now let me quickly walk you through the manager's view, which is a bit more comprehensive and has extended access compared to the agent's view. By going to the All Work panel, the manager gets an overview of all the conversations in the contact center, both assigned and unassigned, with an easy access to all the details on the queues and conversations listed. To manage the contact center more efficiently and tailor the view to their needs, managers can use different filters to set up a personal view. If they, for example, want to see all the conversations on a specific channel. A manager can also see the analytics of the contact center, which is crucial for monitoring and identifying improvement areas. In analytics, managers have access to an overview of the contact center, where they can filter information based on channels, queues, and timeframes. This is where they see how many conversations there are and how responsive the contact center is in resolving the customer queries. For managers to target the right areas of improvement, they need more detailed information on individual or group agent utilization displayed per status and overall occupancy and engagement rate. They also get insight into agent performance in terms of the number of conversations, responsiveness, and handling time of individual agents or groups. Then here's the Voice of the Customer panel, where the real-time feedback is collected and stored, which gives managers a clear view of customer satisfaction and action points. Channels Overview helps manager dive into the performance of each channel utilized by the contact center. And last but not least, here's a Tags Overview. I mentioned already that tags can be assigned to categorize conversation per topics or customer intents better. Since tags describe specific topics, this data helps supervisors determine how certain topics are handled within their contact center. We're now moving on to apps, yet another area of the contact center only accessible to managers. This is where the contact center can be set up. In other words, through apps, managers can add channels, set up integrations, and customize the contact center to fit their specific business needs. Let's say you need to scale your contact center, adjust configuration or channels. Through apps, it can literally be done in just a few clicks. You can configure queues and routing to manage and distribute the workload among agents more efficiently. You can also configure auto-assignment, connect external bots, or adjust your greeting messages, waiting strategies, and call wrap-ups. Suppose you'd like to fine-tune your contact center experience. In that case, You can use surveys to collect customer feedback, and you can activate automated workflows for repetitive tasks to offload your agents. You can simplify agent workflow through conversations forms and tailored dispositions, but also improve the overall quality of your agent support by customizing customer information cards, adding sentiment, or any external information useful to agents. And on top of it, you can also connect your Shopify or Jira account and brand your video calling experience. That's it for me. I've given you a glimpse of Conversations, but to get a better idea of all its features and benefits, start your free trial and give it a test run in your own time. Thank you for watching.